Hi friends, let us look at some of the important news. My name is Dinesh Haria and I will bring everyday news for all of you. Yesterday, 3,10,000 new corona cases were reported all over India and total number of active cases were 28.73 lakhs. Karnataka government has announced 14-day lockdown from 27th of April in view of increase in corona cases. Essential items will be available from 6 am to 10 am. However, all manufacturing activity will continue except garment sector, since garment sector employs large number of employees. In Mumbai, number of corona cases were shown decline yesterday also, and total number of cases are now 3,876. This shows that there is effect of the lockdown in Mumbai also. Let us hope this decline will continue. Some of the state government may not start vaccination of the age group 18 to 44 from 1st May due to inadequate supply of vaccine. These states are Maharashtra, Rajasthan, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, Punjab and Kerala. As you are aware, central government announced that from 1st May, all citizens above 18 years can get themselves vaccinated. It seems central government has announced this decision without taking into account the proper supply of vaccine all over India. Hence, central government first must ensure a proper supply of vaccine all over India, then only such drive will be successful. Tata Steel increased oxygen supply to 600 tons. Tamil Nadu government has announced that Sterlite Copper, which is a part of the Vedanta Group company, can start their plant in Tuticorin for next 4 months to manufacture oxygen. This plant was closed for last couple of years due to environmental concern. Yesterday, Air India flight brought 318 oxygen concentrator from New York to meet the demand of oxygen concentrator in India. Yesterday, Indian stock market has shown further increase and Sensex, that is BSE Sensex, closed 508 point above and the closing was 48,386. This means that Indian stock market feels that this second wave of corona is a temporary and it will also pass through and there is no problem for the growth of Indian economy in future. Tech Mahindra, one of the leading information technology, has announced the result and they have shown 34.6% increase in the profit in the quarter January to March 2021 compared to a quarter January to March 2020. HDFC Life, one of the leading private sector insurance company, announced 2% increase in the profit for the quarter January to March 2021 compared to a previous quarter of January to March 2020. Yesterday, a carcass of 7-feet Indian Ocean dolphin washed ashore at Cup Parade beach in Mumbai. RBI announced yesterday that private sector chief's tenure cannot be more than 15 years at a stretch. This may have some impact on some of the private sector banks in future. This is Dinesh Haria signing off.